Hello YouTube. This is not a tool video, it's a me video. This is tractor part video. This is a brand new oil pressure gauge for my 8N tractor. Look at this. Oh, look at that. There's an old rusty 8N tractor. It's getting a makeover out there. Look at this piece of probably Chinesium. Why am I buying new parts for it? Because I'm fixing the damn thing. That's why. I'm fixing the tractor. This is one. It's actually one order I got to pick up. See, it's I don't know if you can read this. There's probably a part number 9N, whatever. I ordered it from a place called Just 8Ns. Awesome service. Grateful. This is Atlantic quality parts for farm construction equipment. A distributor crap. Distributor cap for an 8N. I ordered a new distributor just in case. Oh, look at that. Fancy, huh? Probably blow up on me. Get through this, probably made in China. Oh, made in USA. Holy shit. Where's this one made? This one is made in China. Chinesium. Okay, another thing I got here. This is really cool. I got the box with the least amount of parts I picked up. This is a reproduction. It's a toolbox that goes on the tractor. Comes with this and a set of bolts for it, like just two little bolts, which is nice. I'm gonna put, see, it's pretty damn cool. It goes on the tractor. Brand new repro. I have no idea where the hell this is made. Made in China. Because, you know, we can't make tractor parts in the US anymore, because that would make sense. Put that there. Actually, let me put this in here too, because we don't need, well, we actually need the box. I'll show you one other thing I picked up for it. You're also going to see a couple of more videos of tractor parts, because I ordered a lot of tractor parts. I could probably rebuild the whole damn tractor. This thing is, well, there's this first. This is the bumpers for the gas filler lid, because my tractor had a little lid for the gas cap. The lid's finished. I got to put new hinges, new lid on it, new lock, new everything. This right here is really cool. Not even sure if it's for this tractor, but it's for an 8N. This is a brand spanking new battery cover. See that? Battery cover. Sweet. Why did I buy a new one instead of fixing the old one? Because the old one doesn't exist on this tractor. It's gone. And somehow they put a battery on there. It's so big I can't even get it off. I think I have to take the entire top of the tractor off to get the battery. It comes with these really cool... Oh, this is made in Dennis Carpenter Ford tractor restoration parts. Let's see. Comes with a fancy sticker. I have no idea where the hell it goes. Let's check this out. Look at that. That's a cool sticker. Yeah. And then there's this sticker. I mean, I just want to buy tractor stickers because of weird stickers here. Let's look at this one. This one. Battery filled with clean water every 3 days. Yeah, okay. Tractors looked at every month. But yeah, put clean water in it every 3 days. Sure. So anyway, that's for my 8N zombie ear tractor, because I don't know what the hell year it is. I can't find the serial number yet. So I'm going to be pulling the top off of it and pretty much replacing all the shitty parts, which is half the goddamn tractor. I'm hoping the engine's fine, because I'm not an engine guy. So anyway, thanks for watching the tractor part video, and stay tuned for more classy shit from me. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Oh, and don't forget to look at all the guys down I have listed below. Yeah, and subscribe. Subscribe. If you're a new user, subscribe. Don't be one of those 80% that doesn't subscribe. Good job.